Hello students, this is chapter 3, factorization of polynomials, and exercise 3rd C, remaining part, based on factorization by splitting the middle term. We will do from question number 31, 15x square plus 2x minus 8. Now take a look from question number 31. Split the middle term in two parts so that sum of that parts will be 2 and product is 15 into 8 means 120. 15 into 8 is equal to 120, and here minus sign, so minus 120 if I taking minus. Now this 120 you can write 12 into 10, and these are two parts, you can write it 12 minus 10, so you will get 2. Here plus 2, so you can write plus 12x minus 10x. Now solve it. 15x square plus 12x minus 10x and minus 8. Now take common 3x. So here 3 5s are 15, 5x plus 3 4s are 12, 4. Take minus common and 2 common. So here 2 5s are 10, 5x plus 2 4s are 8, 4. Now 5x plus 4 is common factor from both the term, and here 3x minus 2 other factor. This is the answer. Next question. 21x square plus 5x minus 6. So split the middle term in two parts so that sum will be 5 and product will be 21 into minus 6 and whatever it be. So 21 into minus 6, or you can directly write 6 and we will adjust the sign after taking factors. So you can write it 7, don't write it minus 6 this time, 7 into 3 into 2 into 3. Now you have to need of 5x. So 7 2s are 14 and 3 3s are 9. This and this. So 14 into 9. Now two parts are 14x minus 9x. You will get 5. Here you will use these two parts. 21x square plus 14x minus 9x minus 6 and solve and get the answer. Now look at the solution. Here take 7x common and 3x plus 2 in the bracket, minus common, 3 common, and 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 common, so 7x minus 3 other factor. 24x square minus 41x plus 12. So split the middle term, which is minus 41, into two parts, so you will get the product will be 24 into 12. So 24 into 12 you can write it 8 3s are 24 and 4 3s are 12. Now you need two parts so that sum will be minus 41. So 8 4s are 32 and 3 3s are 9. 32 and 9, 9 to 11 means you will get 32 and 9, and put the sign minus, both will be negative, so you will get minus 41. Minus 41. See this sign, so that you will require both term negative, and the sum will be 9 to 11 and 314. Write down 24x square minus 32x minus 9x plus 12. Take common. Here you can take 4x 4 6 are 24 x and 4 8 are 32. Take minus common and 3 common. Here you can take 2 also common, means 8 common. So that same factor will be in the bracket, 8 common, because here 2 also common. So take 8 common. 8 3s are 24, this is 3, and 8 4s are 32, minus 3 common, 3 3s are 9, so 3x, and 3 4s are 12. Sign is plus, so take this sign minus, so minus minus will be plus. 3 4s are 12. Now 3x minus 4 and 8x minus 3. Answer. Three x square minus 14x plus 8. So split the middle term 14, or you can say minus 14, into two parts. So you will get the product of 8 into 3 means 24. So here 8 into 3, you can write 4 2s are 8 into 3 and make 14. So two parts will be 4 3s are 12 and 2, this and this, 12 into 2. So 12x minus 12 minus 2 is equal to minus 14. Use here and solve, and then check your answer. See what to do. You can break it into these two parts, 3x common in two terms and x minus 4 in the bracket. Take minus common, 2 common, and x minus 4. This change will be minus here, because minus minus plus, and take x minus 4 common and 3x minus 2, then get the answer. Next question number 35. 2x square plus 3x minus 90. So split the middle term, which is 3, into two parts, so that sum will be 3 and product will be 90 into 2. So 90 into 2, you can write it 9 into 2, 9 into 10 into 2, and break furthermore because you need 3 by 2 parts. So here you can't get 3. Now 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2. Now check, taking two parts, 5 3s are 15, 15, and 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So this and these 3. So 15 into 12. You can write 15 minus 12, get 3. Use here and solve the question and get the answer. Now here 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90. Here these two term taking together, so x common only. So here 2x plus 15, and take minus common, and if you can't decide quickly what to take common, so see the before bracket, what is in the bracket, 2. So you will take 2 when you can break 12 into 6 into 12 to 6 into 2. So 6 means you will take 6 common, and 6 2s are 12, and 6, when you divide 6 to 90, you will get 15. It means 15 6s are 90. So in the bracket 15. Okay, this is just a trick. So 2x plus 15, take common, and in other bracket x minus 6, or if you can write it like minus 12x before and plus 15x after, then you can take 2 common and in the bracket remaining part, and 15 will write after the 12. So you can take 15 common, and 15 6 are 90. So any method you can use, or this is one of the way that how to get in the bracket. So see the factor comes before. Now get the answer. Now split the middle term 2x into 2 parts, so you will get 2 and product will be root 5 into minus 3 root 5. So root 5 into minus 3 root 5. I am not taking sign here. This becomes 3 into 5 and these are 2 parts. 5 minus 3 you will get 2 and use here and take common, then solve. From these two terms, root 5 common, x plus root 5 in the bracket, take minus 3 and x common, sorry, x not common, 3 common and x, and this will be plus because minus taking out common, plus root 5 and x plus root 5 common and root 5 minus 3. Now insert x here because this is a square. So root 5x minus 3, other factor, root 5x minus 3. Answer. Question number 37. Now split the middle term, which is 1, so that 2 parts, split the middle term in 2 parts, so the sum will be 1 and product will be 2 root 3 into 5 root 3. 2 root 3 into 5 root 3. This will be 2 into 5 root 3, 6. Now here 2 root 3 and 5 root 3. So here only 1, this root 3, this is 3, not 6. This is 2, this is 5 and this is only 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 5. 6 into 5. So you can write 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. And write down 2 root 3 x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 5 root 3. And do the next steps and check the answer. Now take 2. Here you can write 6 as 2 3s are 6 and 3 you can break root 3. So 2 root 3 common and x common. So here x only plus and root 3 common, 2 common. Only 1 root 3 is in the bracket. Minus common, 5 common. Here x plus root 3. X plus root 3 is common and other factor will be 2 root 3x minus 5. Then answer. 7x square plus 2 root 14x plus 2. So split the middle term 2 root 14 into 2 parts. So the sum will be 2 root 14 and product will be 7 to the 14. So you can write 14, 7 into 2, 14 and 14 you can break it under root 14 into under root 14 and under root 14 plus under root 14, 2 root 14 and use here 7x square plus root 14 x plus root 14 x. Here I am not taking x but it must be written with x because here you have to make 2 root 14 x. So here root 14x plus root 14x becomes 2 root 14x plus 2. Now take common. What are the common factors? So here 7 root 7 into root 2. So you can take x common and root 7 common. Root 7 x and here in the bracket x root 7x x. Just wait. Plus root 2 because you can break it under root 7 into under root 2 plus here you can take root 2 common, root 7 into root 2, so and this is root 2 into root 2, root 2 common, and in the bracket root 7 x plus root 2, because you break it into root 2, so 1 root 2 you taking out common. Now root 7x plus root 2, root 7x plus root 2 as a common factor. This will be root 7x plus root 2 plus other factor will be the remaining part under root 7x plus under root 2. Answer. So students, do carefully when the number in the form of roots, and when you taking out common factor, then check whatever exactly factor will remain after taking common. This is important thing. 6 root 3 x square minus 47x plus 5 root 3. So split the middle term minus 47x into two parts, so you will get the sum minus 47 and product will be 6 root 3 into 5 root 3. 6 root 3 into 5 root 3. You will get 6 into 5 into 3. So here you need 47. So break 6, 5 3s are 15 and 6 you can't take sum as using these factors. So break 6 into two parts, 2 into 3 into 5 into 3. So 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 and 2. So you can write 45 into 2 or minus 45 and 2, and here minus sign, it means both the term will be negative. You will get minus 47. So use here and solve. Now here you can write it minus 47 in two parts, minus 45x minus 2x and 5 root 3. This is equal to, for your convenient, I am taking minus 2 before minus 45x. So 6 root 3 x square minus 2x minus 45x plus 5 root 3, so that you can take common easily from these two terms, because 45 and 5 you can take 5 9s are 45 and see further. Here 2x common, and in the bracket 2 3s are means 3 and this root 3, x common and only one x in the bracket. So minus 1, because this 2x we have taken common. Now in these two terms, what should I take common? Minus, and see this 45 and 5 root 3 here, 45 and 5 root 3 here. 45 you can write 5 3s are 15, 3s are 45, and this you can write again 5 into 3 into root 3 into root 3, because the second is 5 root 3, here 5 and root 3, 5 and root 3 taking out common. What remains other part? 3 root 3. See, first now see again, 45 is equal to 5 into 3 into 3, and you can write it 5 into 3 into root 3 into root 3, and other part is 5 root 3, and when you taking out 5 root 3, 5 common, root 3 common, and the other part will be 3 root 3 is remaining. So here in the bracket, when you taking out 5 root 3 common, in the bracket what remains? 3 root 3, 3 root 3, and minus taking common, so this is plus, so here you can write minus, so that minus minus plus, and this 5 root 3 taking common, so only 1 remain here. Now 3 root 3 minus x, here 3 root 3 x also minus 1. So 3 root 3 x minus 1 from both the terms taking common, and other part will be 2x minus 5 root 3. Answer. So students, when you taking common, then it should be to correct. No, it's done correct. Now students, take an idea from looking the previous term. Here 1, it means the other term you can take 5 root 3 as a whole common, and what remains in the bracket, see this term 3 root 3, it means here should be 3 root 3 x, and this is just an idea for giving that you can use here, or otherwise you can do factors separately and take common if you are not finding out the exact factors which are common. Then next question, 40. 5 root 5 x square plus 20 x plus 3 root 5. So split the middle term 20 into two parts, so the sum will be 20 and product will be 5 root 5 into 3 root 5. So see 5 root 5 into 3 root 5. This becomes 5 3s are 15 and root 5 5. So 15 plus 5 make 20. 15 plus 5 you will get 20, and write here and solve it. Now you split it 20 into two terms 15 and 5. Now in these two terms take 5 common, x common, and here in the bracket under root 5 and x, plus 5 3s are 15, it means 3 in the bracket, and x we have taken common, plus in these two terms you can take root 5 common. You can write root 5 is equal to root 5 into root 5, so root 5 common. So in the bracket root 5 x plus this is 3. Now next step, root 5x plus 3 common from both the term, root 5x plus 3 is common, and remaining part is 5x plus root 5. Answer. Next question. Under root 3 x square plus 10x plus 8 root 3. So split the middle term 10 into two parts, so the sum will be 10 and product will be root 3 into 8 root 3, means 8 root 3 into root 3. So you can write it 8 into 3 and 8 plus 3, 11, no. So break it further, 4 into 2, 4 to the 8 into 3. So 3 to the 6 and 4. You can write it 4 into 6 means 4x plus 6x. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now solve it. This is the next step. Now take root 3x common, root 3 and x. So here x plus 2 3s are 6, it means 2, and 3 means root 3 root 3. So 1 root 3 we have taken common, so 2 root 3 in the bracket, plus 4 common and x plus 2 root 3. By seeing this term you can write and check it. 4 to the 8 root 3 means this is the correct. Now take x plus 2 root 3 common, and other factor will be root 3 plus 4, then get the answer. This is the answer. Next 42, under root 2x square plus 3x plus root 2. So split 3 into 2 parts, so sum will be 3 and product will be root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2, you can write it 2 or 2 1 the 2 means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here this 3 into 2 parts like this, 2x under root 2x square plus 2x plus x plus root 2. Now solve further and get the answer. In these two, root 2 common and x plus root 2, here x plus root 2, 1 is common. So x plus root 2 and root 2 x plus 1. Answer 2x square plus 3 root 3x plus 3. So split 3 root 3 into 2 parts, so sum will be 3 root 3 and product will be 3 into 2 means 6. So here 2 into 3, here it is in the form of root 3, so this 3 you can break it, root 3, 2 into root 3 into root 3. Now here 2 root 3 root 3, so you can write it one pair like this, 2 root 3 and root 3. 2 root 3 plus root 3, you will get 3 root 3 and do it. Now this is break into 2 parts. Here you can take 2 common, x common. So here x plus root 3 in the bracket plus root 3 common and x plus root 3 in the bracket. X plus root 3 common and other factor will be 2x plus root 3. This is the answer. Question number 44. 15x square minus x minus 28. So split the middle term, which is minus 1 x into 2 parts, so you will get minus 1 sum of that parts and product will be 15 into minus 28. So write down 15 into 28. Sign we will put here what are the required sign. So 15 into 28, you can write 3 into 5, 3 5 is 15 and 7 4 is 28. Now make pair, so you can get 2 parts, 7 3 is 21 and 5 4 is 20. So 21 minus 20, you will get 1, but here minus sign, so it means bigger number should be negative and this is plus, so you will get minus. Now write down here 15x square minus 21x plus 20x minus 28 and take common and solve and get the answer. Now I split the middle term into 2 parts, so you will get sum minus 5 and product it 6 into minus 21. 6 into 21. 3 2 is 6, 7 3 is 21. Now you required 5 minus 5. So here 7 2 is 14 and 3 3 is 9. This and this means 14 and 9 are 2 parts, but negative sign, so bigger number should be of minus sign. Plus 9 is equal to minus 5. 6x square minus 14x plus 9x minus 21 and take common and try it. Now check the solution and get the answer. Next question number 46. Now split the middle term, minus 7 into 2 parts, so sum will be minus 7 and product will be 2 into minus 15. 2 into 15, you can write it 2 into 3 into 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 10 minus 3. This and this. Here 10 into 3. So you can write 10 and 3 and minus sign, so bigger number will be negative, plus minus 7. Minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. So write down 2x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 15 and take common and then do further. See, 5x square minus 16x minus 21. So split the middle term minus 16 into two parts. So sum will be the that parts will be minus 16 and product will be 5 into minus 21. It's 5 into 21. You can write 21 and 21 minus 5 you will get 16. So here two parts are 21 and 5 and minus sign means minus 21 plus 5 is equal to minus 16. You can write it 5x square minus 21 x plus 5x minus 21. Here to taking common easily, so you can write one more step, 5x square plus 5x and minus 21 here, x 21x minus 21. So take common easily, 5x common, x plus 5x common, x plus 1 and here take common minus 21. So in the bracket x plus 1 and x plus 1 common from both the term and 5x minus 21. Answer. Next question number 48. 6x square minus 11x minus 35. Split the middle term minus 11 into two parts. So sum will be minus 11 and product will be 6 into 35 minus 35. So 6 into 35 you can write it 2 3s are 6, 7 5s are 35. Now 5 2s are 10 and 7 3s are 21. These two taking together. So 21 because it is negative, so you can write 21 and 10 minus sign for bigger number. So you will get minus 11 and now 6x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 35. Now take common and solve it. Now see the solution of 48. Next question number 49. 9x square minus 3x minus 20. So split the middle term minus 3 into two parts. So sum will be minus 3 and product will be 9 into minus 20. 9 into minus 20, or you can write 20. 3 3s are 9, 4 5s are 20. Now make pair, 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So 15 and 12. Now negative sign, so minus 15 plus 12 is equal to minus 3. You can write it 9x square minus 15x plus 12x minus 20 and take common and solve further. So we will get the solution and get this answer, 3x minus 5, 3x plus 4. Next question number 50. Now I split the middle term minus 9 into two parts. So sum will be minus 9 and product will be 10 into minus 7. 10 into 7. 2 5s are 10 into 7. 7 2s are 14 and 9 and 5. So 14 into 5. You can, and this is negative, so minus 14 plus 5 you will get minus 9. Now 10x square minus 14x plus 5x minus 7 and solve next steps. See the solution, get the answer, 5x minus 7, 2x plus 1. These are the factors. So students, in this video this much, and remaining question we will do in our next video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.